he has, you know, I think I said before, he has been a bit livelier than he used to be. I didn't wet it down.
Yes.
Because I wanted to see if it made any difference.
Mm.
And that hasn't, see.
So that's unusual for him to be still good.
Yes, it is on dry hay. That's happening to you, hasn't it? Right.
Do you think he is better than he was before?
Yeah, he's definitely not having it so much. I mean, like once this last week, he was very good. I think.
Yeah, that's unusually good, isn't it?
That's unusually good, that is.
Do you think the breather has been effective?
Well, yeah, it's definitely helped him, yeah.
Mm.
But he's definitely, I was just once this week, he's good. I'll put up with that.
Yeah.